These are the finest stencils you can make out of a large drink lid from a, put over my white shirt, that's the bolt head. This is just a bolt shadow. And so you do the bolt shadow first, then you line up your bolt head inside of that with a lighter color, then you hit the top two edges with the white. And this is the lids of racetrack cups. And I used a soldering iron to just trace them out, and the soldering iron melts right through that lid, no problem. I want that base nice and dark. Okay, let's look at it from far away. How do I call it done? Yeah. Okay. Now, you can go in there and you can detail your heart's content. You can do as much as you want. You know, with your detail painting. I could put texture all over that. I could add more of those bolts. I could add more bolts, you know, but pretty happy with how it looked. And I'll know how long it took me as soon as I stop this video, because it'll tell me how long I was on.